Elon Musk story. Elon Musk, a man driven by the belief that the future should be something to look forward to. His story is one of relentless ambition, innovation, and a vision that stretches beyond the stars. Let's explore the extraordinary journey of Elon Musk, a journey that continues to redefine what's possible. 1. Early life, shaping a dreamer. Elon Reeve Musk was born on June 28, 1971, in Pretoria, South Africa. From a young age, Musk was a dreamer, captivated by the possibilities of the future. He would spend hours devouring books, especially science fiction, which planted the seeds of his fascination with space and technology. At just 12 years old, Musk displayed his first signs of brilliance, creating and selling a video game called Blaster. His early interest in coding and technology hinted at a future filled with innovation. But Musk's childhood wasn't without difficulty. He endured bullying in school and faced a complicated family dynamic. These experiences, though tough, forged a resilience that would serve him well in the challenges to come. Seeking greater opportunities, Musk moved to Canada at 17. After attending Queen's University, he transferred to the University of Pennsylvania, where he earned degrees in both economics and physics. 2. The early ventures. In the mid-90s, Musk and his brother co-founded Zip2, a company providing online business directories. The startup wasn't glamorous. Musk often slept on the office couch. But the hard work paid off when Compaq acquired Zip2 for nearly $300 million. Not one to rest on his laurels, Musk soon ventured into online banking, founding X.com. This project evolved into PayPal, revolutionizing how people transferred money online. PayPal's success caught the attention of eBay, which acquired it for $1.5 billion. Musk's share of the sale would become the fuel for his next, and far more ambitious ventures. 3. SpaceX, aiming for the stars. With a dream to make space travel more accessible, Musk founded SpaceX in 2002. The goal? To reduce the cost of space exploration and enable human life on other planets. The early years were brutal. SpaceX's first 3 rocket launches failed. Each failure brought Musk closer to financial ruin. But in 2008, everything changed. On its 4th attempt, Falcon 1 became the first privately funded rocket to reach orbit. It was a pivotal moment. SpaceX secured contracts with NASA and continued innovating, developing the Falcon 9 and the Falcon Heavy. SpaceX became the first private company to send a spacecraft to the International Space Station. Musk's ultimate vision? Colonizing Mars with the Starship program. 4. Tesla, driving a sustainable future. In 2004, Musk joined Tesla Motors, a startup focused on electric vehicles. The mission was bold: to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. Tesla's first car, the Roadster, proved that electric cars could be fast and stylish. But it was the Model S that truly disrupted the auto industry. With its sleek design, long range, and advanced technology, the Model S redefined what an electric car could be. Today, Tesla leads the market with vehicles like the Model 3, Model X, and Cybertruck. 5. Innovations beyond cars. Musk's ambitions extend far beyond cars. Through the Boring Company, he's working to reduce traffic congestion with underground tunnels. Neuralink aims to merge the human brain with computers, potentially revolutionizing healthcare and how we interact with technology. SolarCity, now part of Tesla, focuses on making renewable energy accessible to everyone. Musk envisions a world powered entirely by clean energy. 6. Challenges, controversies, and perseverance. Musk is no stranger to controversy. His outspoken nature and ambitious timelines often spark criticism. But through it all, Musk remains focused on his goals. Despite the ups and downs, Musk's companies continue to break barriers, inspiring millions around the world. 7. The vision for humanity. Elon Musk's ultimate goal is to make life multiplanetary. His dream of colonizing Mars isn't just science fiction. It's a mission to ensure humanity's survival. Whether or not we reach Mars in Musk's lifetime, his vision has already changed the world. He's a reminder that, with enough determination, anything is possible. Elon Musk, a dreamer, a doer, a force of nature, pushing humanity forward. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and share for more inspiring stories.